Today I'm going to show you how to remove a solid blockage from a type of steam cooker. It's a heat exchanger setup where product is passed through the center and mixed, and it is cooked at a certain temperature as it passes through. Now the product that they're putting through here has a high glucose content, and this is sticking to the walls, and it's over time created a solid mass in the middle, and it's completely unusable. So they've given us a call to do a trial for them, see if there's anything we can do to try and sort this out for them. The first stage we tried, we actually had a go at using ultrasonic cleaning. They sent us two pipes. One of them was a lot less contaminated than the other. The first pipe came up, ultrasonic cleaning, no problem, because the product wasn't burnt onto the side. So it was still in a kind of liquid form, and it washed away quite readily. So that's one of them out of the way, good. Second one, total complete blockage. We tried ultrasonic cleaning, we tried using brushes. There's no way we could have got it out any other way than to use our pyrolysis oven. So we called the customer up, who did have some concerns because the solder in between these parts is made up of a silver solder, which can melt at too higher temperatures. So we had a discussion. It was either we try pyrolysis or we throw the item in the bin because it is completely blocked and unusable. So between us, we said, let's go ahead, try pyrolysis. We put the part in our oven around 400 degrees for about 2 hours. This gives the product in the middle enough time to turn to a fine ash and hopefully be jet washed out later. When we opened the oven at the end of the process, we hoped it wouldn't just be in 3 pieces and all the solder had melted. Thankfully, that wasn't the case. So we took the part back around to our other unit. We still could see some blockages, so we did a little bit of poking, prodding, and as you can see with all the ash that dropped out onto the floor, it was a successful burn in the end. So we give it another jet wash and a quick dunk in ultrasonics just to get rid of all those tiny little bits of particulate, and the customer was extremely happy in the end. Not only have we saved them thousands in a replacement cost, but we've proved that there is another way that you can clean these items should things get this bad in the future. If you want to try us for a free trial clean, give us a call, email, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.